Hello, my YouTube friends. Dave Wilson here. I haven't really posted anything for a while. I've been really busy researching. I decided it was time to build a new PC for myself. So I spent a lot of time researching. It's been a couple of years since I built one, and I came up with, I think, a good system now to get it running. But I found a bundle at Microcenter. It was a Core i9 12900K. An MSI Pro 690A Wi-Fi motherboard, which I looked at just to see if everything was there. And let's see, it came with, and then 16 gig of DDR5. So anyway, this whole bundle, the motherboard, the i9 chip, and the memory was $399, which I think was a great deal. So then I had to get a new power supply, since this takes two 8-pin plugs to power the CPU, and I had to get a new cooler, since Intel no longer supplies coolers. And then the case, I thought, well, I better get a new case, and this was $135, but they had an open box that I stumbled on for $40, so I'm pretty impressed with this. I did also get a 2 terabyte M.2 drive, which I'm going to really I'm curious to see how that's going to work, because the list price was $220, and I got it for $62. So anyway, all this with sales tax was right around $700. So we'll see how it all comes out. And then I did buy another little PC for my controls down here in the basement, and this is it. It's I'm not sure what the CPU is, but it's running Windows 11 Pro. It's got a bunch of USB, Wi-Fi. I've been real happy with it. It's running both monitors, and it's really pretty snappy. So, and that was like $160. And then the other thing I've been working on, I got an Xtouch working on my P1P, which I've had it for about a month, the actual hardware. But I couldn't get the software to work. I tried loading the P1P, the P-Touch, and the Xtouch software is so much easier to use. But anyway, the actual hardware is only about $10, and I printed the cover for it. And that's really handy, because now I can control the printer just from the touch screen here, instead of having to try to use the P1P screen. And the last thing I've been working on is I've got this ready. I'm going to take it apart to ship to Rich at Greengate 3D. He's been saying he would like to have a filament rewinder, so he can use this to take filament off of maybe broken spools and put onto a new one. But it works pretty well. You put the spool over here that you want to unwind, and you put this one, you wind it onto, and the carriage moves back and forth to try to keep the filament path nice and tightly stacked. So that's sort of where I'm at right now, just working on a lot of things, and hopefully I'll get this PC built. I might put some links in this, because I'm having a lot of fun, and I was pretty impressed with building a i9 1200K system for $700, and that was with sales tax. It was about $600 before sales tax. And then been working with a couple people I've met, either online or in person. Been a very interesting gentleman at Microcenter. He was trying to get some parts for his Creality, I think CR10, and so he and I got to talking, and hopefully he's going to check out my channel and get in touch with me. And then another viewer needed some parts. He's got a RatRig 500. He's going to try to do the full metal mod on, so I sent him some parts on that. Well, thanks a lot for watching, and I hope this helps anybody, and if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Thank you.